the first lesson we are going to look at it is multiplying and dividing decimals mentally. This is the decimal value place value chart. The decimal point comes in the middle. After the decimal point, the first place value comes is tenths. 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 The second place value which comes after tenths is hundreds. The third place value which comes after hundreds is thousands. Thousandth. Then comes 10,000ths, 100,000ths, millionths. So what we generally do is tenths, any place value which comes after the decimal point, which comes towards your right hand, it is less than 1, so which means it is 1 over 10. Then the next one is 1 over 100. The next one is 1 over 1000. It keeps on going. To multiply and divide decimals mentally, how do we generally do? We basically convert the multiplication or dividing decimals into a whole number, and then we make notes. What should be done next? We take notes. That is called jottings. We write down the steps for each question. So when you multiply any number by a decimal number between 0 and 1, your answer will be smaller than the number you started. When you divide any number by a decimal number between 0 and 1, your answer will be greater than the number you started. I repeat, when you multiply any number by a decimal number between 0 and 1, your answer will be smaller than the number you started with. When you divide any number by a decimal number between 0 and 1, your answer will be greater than the number you started with. Here comes the first question. 12 times 6. How do we do this? We generally take it as a normal whole number multiplication. We know 12 times 6 is 72. Since there is one decimal place, we keep it here. As per the condition, the number we started with is 12 and the number you multiplied with is with a decimal number between 0 and 1. You can see here the answer is less than the number which we started with. 0.3 times 0.415. So how will we do this? Usually we generally do the normal multiplication. So how do we do this? 0.3 times 0.15. It is 0.3 times 0.15. We write it as first 0, 0 and then 15 times 3 is 45. So there is one decimal point and here there is two decimal point. So which means what will be the answer? So it starts with yes. It comes here. So similarly, we can complete the rest of the questions. Please practice the rest of the questions and I will explain in detail in the class. Thank you.